And I now give the floor to Mr. Junaid Anwar Chaudhry, Federal Minister for Maritime Affairs of Pakistan. The floor is yours.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Madam President, Secretary General, Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. It's an honor for me to address this esteemed gathering at the IMO, an institution that remains central to the safety, security and sustainability of global shipping. Pakistan deeply values the IMO role in shaping the future of maritime governance, and we stand here today as a committed maritime nation seeking election to the IMO Council in Category C. Pakistan, with coastline of over 1,000 kilometers, is a heart of world's most important sea lanes connecting the Middle East, Central Asia, Africa, and Indian Ocean region. Over the past year, Pakistan has taken concrete steps in line with IMO Convention and global best practices. Our major initiatives are port digitalization, maritime safety, green port development, and artificial intelligence-enabled port community system, upgradation of Pakistan Maritime Academy and establishing Pakistan Maritime University, reforming seafarers certification system, and enhancing training standards in the line with the STCW Convention, strengthening vessel traffic management system, improving marine pollution response capacity, and coastal monitoring in cooperation with national and international partners. Excellencies, Pakistan is advancing its maritime vision 2047 and 2147, and I assure all our planning is fully aligned with the IMO's vision and global standards. We are equally committed to contributing to the IMO Global Climate Agenda. Pakistan has launched new effort on energy efficient shipping, marine environmental protection, green ship recycling, supported by regulatory reforms and international collaboration. Our ship recycling sector at Gadani is progressing towards higher compliance with Hong Kong Convention standards. Pakistan's candidature for Category C is rooted in a simple principle. We want to contribute more to this global community. Our vision is to play constructive, responsible, and forward-looking role in shaping the future of maritime. Pakistan pledges to promote fair global access for developing maritime nations, strengthen support for seafarers, welfare, and training, advocate for greater cooperation on climate matter for coastal and vulnerable island states, advance the IMO mission of safe, secure, and environmentally responsible shipping for all. History shows that real progress is made when nations choose to work together. Let this session be more than just another meeting. Let it become a turning point, a moment where we choose cooperation, innovation, and bold actions. Pakistan is ready to move forward with all our towards a maritime future that is safer, greener, and more prosperous for everyone. Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you, Excellencies. Pakistan remains at your service. Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you very much.